Hello, my sweet, sweet babies. Today we are going to be making solar system mobiles, just like this one over here. I'm your host, Mommy Black, and this is...
I'm Boon, and I'm Ckaboon.
And we'd like to welcome you to Little Baby Boo Nursery's ABDL Space Camp 2026. Now, if you haven't been following along, you can take a look at this website, and it'll give you all of the information on the past week's activities. So today's craft is going to be all about making the planets of our solar system and possibly a sun if you would like to. You do you. I'm going to be making mine with a wooden hoop, and then I have my fishing wire, and then I went on to the onlines and I said, oh, onlines, I need some styrofoam balls. So then I ordered this, and for some reason I thought maybe I needed this many balls. So I have various balls that I need to pull out and use for this project. Yeah, you can use anything. You can use just Play-Doh, you can use clay, you can use really anything. So today we're also going to be learning about the different planets because I realized that I don't know what order they're in or really what these planets are about. It's fine. This is how we learn. Obviously, Pluto is going to be part of this because Pluto is a planet. So the big planets are Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. All right, babies, I'm just going to pause this right here to give you a bit of forewarning. There is a lot of talk about Uranus in this video, and it is completely inappropriate. So I just wanted to let you know there. I mean, I think that's pretty much par for the course, right? Right? So now I can say that I've warned you about Uranus. Hilarious.
Isn't Neptune larger than Uranus? I mean, Uranus is very large.
You're terrible. Okay, so Mercury, Venus, and Earth are pretty much the same size.
I think that Mercury is smaller, though. And we're going to Google this.
Okay, Google it.
So the smallest is Mercury.
The smallest is Pluto. Okay, so Mercury and Pluto are the smallest, and then it's Venus, Mars, Earth. So should we make Neptune and Uranus the same ball size as Jupiter and Saturn? They are significantly bigger than the Earth.
Yeah, much bigger than Earth.
Also significantly smaller than Jupiter and Saturn. Okay, babies, let's start making our planets. First one up is Mercury. It is the smallest official planet in our solar system, but we know the truth. The real one is Pluto. I'm just saying. I said it. Mercury, what color is Mercury?
Mercury's like gray. It looks like the moon.
It's white?
Yeah, like white and gray.
White and gray? Okay. Mercury has no moons because the sun's big butt would just suck them into its gravitational pull. So Mercury is moonless. But you know what? It's the size of our own moon. So I kind of feel like it doesn't need a moon. It's its own moon. Well, hello, babies. Welcome to Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun, and it smells like farts. The more you know, babies. The more you know. Okay, now Venus. What color is Venus?
It's red and orange.
Is yellow white.
What?
According to Google. Is it really? Yeah, no.
So, babies, Venus is our closest neighbor, and it's the brightest object up in the sky besides the sun and the moon. So at night, you can go outside and see it with your own baby eyeballs. Pretty cool. Venus and Uranus are the only two planets in the solar system that rotate the opposite direction as the Earth. Now we've come to the third rock from the sun, Earth. Now Earth has a lot of really cool babies and a whole lot of diapers. I'm just saying. Okay, now what does Earth look like? Kidding with you. I joke. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to remember what Earth looks like. And we're all going to learn how I don't know what this... Okay, because then this comes down here. Oops. Okay, so that's kind of like that. Then there's some stuff down here. Did you know that Earth has more butts than any other planet in this solar system? True story. Welcome to the fourth stop on our adventure through the solar system, Mars, home of the Martians. Babies, you won't have to worry about getting anemia here because Mars is covered in iron. That's why they call it the red planet. It's all rusted. Okay. So then Mars is pretty much just red?
It's like reddy orange. It's kind of like rust. Yeah, it's like a rusty red. Like, yeah.
Okay, so now it's going to be a rust-colored planet. Gonna see how this turns out. Now, Mars has 2 small moons that orbit around it that are shaped like potatoes, which I think is delicious. Oh, babies, here we are at Jupiter. Jupiter is one big mama, okay? You could put together all the other planets, including Pluto, in the solar system, double it, and Jupiter would still be bigger. It's crazy. And then we've got Jupiter. So what does Jupiter look like?
Yeah, also orangey.
Oh, that is interesting.
Like red and marble.
Okay.
Yeah, I got that real wrong.
Okay, now that's interesting. That is very interesting. How are we going to do that? Okay. We've got some browns.
Some reds, some white.
Browns, and then there's like a little orange little storm. That's the forever storm, right?
Yeah, probably.
These are just gases. It's the gas giant, right?
It's the belly button.
Okay, browns, orange. Okay, let's see what we can do. That belly button is called the Great Red Spot, and it's twice the size of the Earth. If you're feeling pretty gassy out here, it's because we're headed to the second gas giant, Saturn. Saturn's pretty cool because it has 293 moons. Now that's a lot of mooning, babies. Okay, now we're doing Saturn. Now what the does Saturn look like? Oh, okay. Oh, like a tan gray.
Yeah, it's like cream or beige. It's like 50 Shades of Beige.
Okay. We'll see what happens. On the wings of love, look at the tears of us. You guys don't know that song because you're babies.
Yes, you.
On the wings of love, look at the tears.
I know that song. Yeah, she just said.
Do. On the wings of love.
You sure you know that song? Yeah, totally. It's on the radio this morning.
It was on the radio this morning. You are fibbing.
You don't know that.
I do know. What do the rings of Saturn look like?
Are they just rocks?
Are they?
Hold on, I'm gonna be wrong. Let's see. Okay, so Saturn itself is like a hazy brown, and the rings are shades of pink, yellow sand, and hues of gray with flecks of brown. Okay, well, we got a picture like that.
Oh my God. Okay.
But then we also have this, which is very different.
That is very different. I'm very confused by that.
But this one's from NASA.
Oh, the NASA?
Yeah.
Okay. That is going to be...
But then this one's also NASA.
Oh, gee.
Maybe this is like the Halloween Saturn.
That one is more exciting. It is very festive.
This one's just the everyday one.
That one's just, when it's got to go pick up the kids and it just puts on its chunkless and its sweatpants to just get out the door. How about we add some yellow glow-in-the-dark glitter? Add a little sparkle to these rings. We are now going to test whether or not this glows in the dark. Oh, now that's pretty cool. The Maori in New Zealand historically referred to Saturn as behbeh, an ancient name that means surrounded by a headband. Oh my. My. What do we have here, babies? Uranus. Oh, God. Yes, Uranus. We're looking at Uranus. I have a question for you guys.
I have an answer.
What color is Uranus?
I think it's green. Is it blue?
Ooh, this one's pretty.
So you think Uranus is pretty?
So blues. So blues and light blues. Okay. And it has a tiny little ring around it, right? You have a ring around Uranus. So Uranus has a blue ring around it. It's blue, right?
It gets its blue-green color from methane gas.
It absorbs the red portion of light, which results in the blue-green color. It looks like a hologram. So just make a hologram.
What's interesting about Uranus is that instead of turning like a top like all the other planets do, it turns on its side. So that means each winter and summer lasts 21 years. Up next, babies, is Neptune. Now, Neptune is a lot like Uranus in that it's an ice giant. And it gets that pretty blue hue from all the methane swirling all around on it. Okay, so Neptune. What does Neptune look like?
Isn't that one blue? It's like a darker blue, though.
Oh, and it has a cloud. Okay, okay. Wow, that's kind of a really pretty blue. It's almost like a purple blue.
Yeah.
And then it has like a white thing in it. We're going paint on this one.
What have you been doing?
I've been using Sharpies and stuff like that. So I haven't been using acrylic paint yet.
I like this idea of getting to claim Linda's crafts as my own instead of mine.
I love yours.
I like yours better.
No. That's because I'm doing adult crafting.
Excuse you.
You guys are doing a little's crafting because you're babies.
Well, that sounds offensive.
Originally named Le Verrier after the scientist who discovered it, Neptune was renamed after the Roman god of the sea because that first name was dumb. Now, babies, for most of my life, there have been 9 planets, the last of which was called Pioter. Pioter, named after the Disney dog. Just kidding. I'm yanking your chain. But this last planet was tiny and mighty. Then, in 2006, tragedy struck.
Did you hear about Pluto? It's messed up, right?
Even though scientists decided that Pluto was no longer a planet, it still remained my favorite one, no matter what they say, because it has a big icy area that's shaped like a heart. Okay, what does Pluto look like? I'm now on Pluto.
This is not what I thought Pluto. I thought Pluto was like blue. Yeah, me too. What?
Ooh! There's like grays with reds and a little white. That's pretty.
Pluto's surface is cratered white, tan, and brownish red.
Wow. I'm telling you, that is one sassy planet.
It's a dwarf.
It's one sassy planet.
It's dwarfable.
Dwarfable. Pluto is actually named after the Roman god of the underworld. My God, Pluto is so metal. All right, babies, now that we've created our beautiful planets, it's time to hang them on the mobile, since this is a solar system mobile. So I've picked this lovely loop, and I am then separating all these planets so that I can attach these little crystal droplets from the bottom of them to add weights. Since they're made out of foam, I didn't want them flying around. They still fly around a lot, but it was a little bit of weight. So what I did is added a little jewelry pin to the bottom, put on the little weight, and then shove them straight through each of the foam planets. And then at the top, put a little loop so that I could thread the fishing wire through it and then attach it to the top part of the little hoopy mobile thingy. At this point, I had been hiccuping, and the girls were trying to discuss remedies for helping me out.
Or alternatively, a scoop of peanut butter. That's what I'm saying.
I don't like peanut butter. Are you guys talking about me?
Yes, hiccups.
Oh. Yeah, I don't like peanut butter. Peanut butter is terrible.
I don't like. I'm not gonna finish.
I think it's time for your bedtime, young lady.
No, I love you.
Hers unhinged.
Hers unhinged.
No, I'm very hinged. I'm like a door. Adorable. Oh my God.
Now, spacing them was a bit of an art form. You could actually measure out the string and measure out the distance between each of the planets, but that would have been too easy. And this is kind of how I roll. Okay, so it is now almost done. Here it is. See, this is what I'm saying. You can see that it is very, very long.
Wow.
That's so
Oh, that's
good,
so
though.
cute.
We hope that you enjoyed making solar system mobiles with us. We want to see what yours look like, so be sure to take a picture or take some video and upload it to the interwebs and hashtag it with
LBBN Mobiles.
Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and also to subscribe.
Space Camp ends August 14th, so be sure to get all of your activity sheets and your projects done by then. Bye, babies.
Love you.